Split testing
Okay.
has to be every e-commerce person's second nature, whether you're on a marketplace or not. And what I would do is I would take advantage of something that I didn't even send out to my newsletter yet. PickFu, one of the split testing platforms out there, released a poll your audience for free feature where you can split test to your audience anything for free. You have an audience. What you want to do is you want to split test a lead magnet. You want to say, "Hey, customer X, we thank you so much for being part of the company community. If you landed on our site and you were faced with X and Y, which one would you give your email address for? Go ahead, split test your audience, give them a thank you for participating, which you'll be getting back in terms of ROI because your existing customer base is exactly representative of your avatar. From there, you convert to whatever you're going to put on your site to get their email address, to get their lead, and eventually pursue them down whatever email funnel you want to do. That's one way to do it. Of course, I'm going to say lead generation, and of course, I'm going to say make sure that there's some sort of incentive to opt in. But that way of doing it is less than a week old, and I'm sure your audience will appreciate it.
Yeah, true. Yeah. And on Amazon, you have sub and save and stuff like that.
You have sub and save for, let's say, yeah, if we're going to take the vitamin C example, you have subscribe and save, which is the name of the game there.
Yeah.
And the key is to not alter your price as much. And the key is also because once you raise your price, the customer has to re-opt in to the sub and save. But you also do have the split test abilities built into the platform where it doesn't cost you anything even to split test to other audiences.
So for acquisition, what are the channels that you normally look into in terms of social media? Especially, I want to pick your brain on Reddit. Have you had any experience on the Reddit side that something comes up again and again saying that ROI is much better on Reddit? Not on all the categories, but on certain categories.
So with Reddit, since Google had their updates earlier, was it earlier this year or right? Google had their updates where I think it was only the social media platforms, and then Reddit were the most authoritative sites on the internet. And there are people out there trying to game the Reddit system, and I haven't tried to do that. I haven't, nor have I tried to promote my items on Reddit just for manipulation frights. Besides for that, I've let the Reddit people just do their regular thing. Yeah, you can find my products promoted on Reddit just because of natural conversation, but I haven't tried to manipulate that in any way and get involved in that. And really, to be honest with you, I don't think it's that structured. I don't think Reddit themselves know how to take on all this traffic Google is giving it. They'll take it. It's better for their CPMs, but I haven't tried to promote products directly within the platform, just simply because I think it's very, in the literal sense, immature to do.